Music. Want to understand your UK credit score? This is my review of Checkmyfile. Links are in the description. We'll cover features, who it's for, and why it's great. Checkmyfile is designed for UK residents and compiles your credit reports from all four major UK agencies: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and Crediva. This gives you a complete picture, as different lenders use different agencies. Its best feature? Side-by-side credit comparison. See all your data in one place: scores, history, records, even financial links. It explains everything clearly, perfect for beginners. Try it free for 30 days. After, it's £14.99 a month, cancelable anytime. Need help? Their support team can clarify your report and help dispute errors, especially useful for credit rebuilding. Checkmyfile is your all-in-one solution for monitoring your UK credit. Applying for a mortgage? Consolidating debt? Checkmyfile empowers you with the insights you need. Detailed reports, easy-to-understand explanations, ultimate convenience. Check the links below and take control of your credit today.